Hi, baby. Good morning. Open na yung eyes mo. Pagod ka sa party mo yesterday. Don't get first, mommy. Nasa kabilang room.
Kain mo na kasi baka kailangan mo na.
Hello. Usap muna kami. What? Sleeping time? Or...
Good morning.
Morning, Sophia.
Good morning, love. Good morning. Hi, baby. Pupo ka. Mukhang pupo. Look at the face. Mukhang pupo. No?
Pupo, sleeping time again.
Pupo.
Smiling siya, bra. Why are you smiling?
It's such a happy face.
You are tulog ulit eh.
Oh. Tingnan mo, day cutting services, first 2,000 sheet, 500 pesos lang.
Smiling again.
Pwede pa rin pa day cutting.
Muni, thinking ka lang. What will I do for the day? Same sleeping time again.